Download this preset for free via the link in the description. But before that, the file is protected by a password. Please turn on the captions so you can see the password and download this presets.
Dramatic Sky Editing Tutorial Dash. Let's get started. For example, before and after. Note, don't re-upload this video and don't sell this preset. Video created by Lightroom CC. Now select the photo. Select the light option, dash. Exposure is 0.10 ev. Highlights is -53. Shadow is 64. Whites -28. Black is also -28. Then go to the curve and adjust the curve, dash. Done. Select the color option, dash. Vibrance 22. Saturation is -12. Then go to the mix color, dash. 01 mix color. Hue is 37. Saturation is 24. And luminance is 43. (02) mix color. Hue is -8. Saturation is -10. Luminance is 54. (03) mix color. Hue is -100. Saturation is -18. (04) mix color. Hue is -100. And saturation is 34. (05) mix color. Hue is 63. Saturation is -7. And luminance is 22. (06) mix color. Hue is -55. Saturation is -21. And luminance is -13. Then done mix color. Then go to the effects option, dash. Clarity is 45. DNG is 25. And voltage is -50. Midpoint is 41. Feathers is also 69. And roundness is -33. Then go to the detail dash. Only increase is nose and color reduction. Noise is 19. And color is 21. Done. Our editing is done. Thanks for watching Lightroom CC. Video created by Lightroom CC. Now enjoy examples. Before and after pics. Note, don't re-upload this video and don't sell this preset. Video created by Lightroom CC. 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 Video created by Lightroom CC.